This is the HS family. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good.
Lying only buys you so much time. You could hurt, but hurting's never gonna make it fine. You could shake.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the HS family. Hope you guys are doing good today. So before I start this video, I would like to give a shout out to all our subscribers and all those who are watching us. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the HS family. All right guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about our laundry room. As you all can see, this laundry room is a mess. Like seriously guys. So actually all of these things on top of the laundry machine, on top of the washing machine was they were in the cupboard, in the cabinet. So I had to take away everything because I needed to clean this laundry room. But guess what? I kept getting so busy to a point where I did not do that on time. As you can see, all the cabinets are empty because I took out everything and then I had to restock it with some stuff. But guess what? It was not organized. You know, every time I kept procrastinating that I was going to clean this laundry room. So today is the D-Day. So join me. Let's clean this laundry room. As you all know, laundry rooms are one of those places in our homes where it's a little bit abandoned, because we all know that it's made for washing clothes, and so it's rare, you know, for us to always go there and clean it, you know. But actually it's supposed to be one of the cleanest places in our home. Like everywhere is supposed to be clean, you know, but nobody has that time too much to be cleaning the laundry room. But guess what? I'm going to make a difference on this one today. So guys, actually what I'm doing right now, I'm taking away all of those things that I placed on top of the laundry machine and the dryer. Guys, this place is a mess. Like seriously, I kept, like, I was so lazy in doing this because every time I felt like I wanted to do it, something else came up and I was like, oh, you know. So as you can see, the kids are here helping me. Actually, they helped me cleaned out everything and took out everything from the laundry room. So you can see that we also have some detergents on the floor, and you know, everything, like nothing had a space actually, whereas I had a lot of space, but I did not just know how to manage that space. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to go ahead and clean the cabinets, you know, make sure that all the dust and every other little nasty thing is out. So cleaning is done, and the next thing I want to do is make sure that I protect my laundry machine and my dryer. You know, these things are very fragile, and you don't want to put stuff on top of it and you start seeing scratches on it. So I always like to protect it that way. I protect it from rust, from scratch, and any other chemical, you know. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is pouring all of my detergents and my laundry supplies in different containers, you know, guys. So actually the reason why I'm doing this is because I need a lot of space, and all of these containers and these detergents in the packs, you know, they are taking a whole lot of space, and you know, so I try to like minimize the space and get more space, you know. So what I'm doing now is pouring everything in bottles, and actually these bottles are clear bottles where anybody can see what is in the bottle, just in case you are like, what is this? So when you pour stuff in bottles like this, you want to make sure that you apply tags on the bottles, which I am going to be doing. That way is for safety purpose. That way people can easily read what is in the bottle. Guys, I am done labeling the bottles, so the next thing I'll go ahead and restock the cabinets. Oh my gosh, guys, this is breathtaking. Like, I'm just enjoying this. Like, I have a lot of space right now just doing this. Before I continue with this video, I would like to say a big shout out to all those who are watching this video, and I want to tell you guys that I love you guys so much. The HE family loves you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for always liking and commenting on our videos. Thank you for sharing our videos. Hi there. If this is your first time stumbling into this YouTube channel, I want to let you know that you are welcome into the HE family. So guys, we'll go ahead and continue with our video. So the next thing I just did was to pour the powder detergent, and I just poured it in another container. That was just so easy for me because I could easily just, put a cup underneath it and get the detergent. So as you can see, those bigger containers, these ones that are right here, like the bleach and this liquid detergent, I'm not going to pour them in any container. Like the bleach, I think the bleach needs to be in its container. That way, for safety purposes, especially that now that I have kids, I have little kids running around. I want to be very careful with the way I place things around, especially when it comes to chemicals that are dangerous like this, cleaning detergents and stuff like that. So you can never go wrong having your trash can in your laundry room, guys. Like, that is so good. And also, don't forget to have your disinfectant wipes, guys. I'm so sorry, I've been talking too much and this is just too much right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you think this video is very helpful, please go ahead and do the same thing and give me a shout out. Thank you guys so much. Bye.